Classification of acids. On the basis of their source, acids are classified as organic acids and inorganic acid. Organic acids, the acids which are found in plants and animals, are called organic acids. Organic acids are also known as natural acid. All organic acids contain carbon and hydrogen atoms. Organic acids are weak acid. Some common examples of organic acids are citric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, etc. Inorganic acids. Inorganic acids prepared from the minerals of the earth, that is why they are also known as mineral acids. They are human-made acids and are also known as laboratory acids. These acids contain at least one hydrogen atom but no carbon atom. Mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. They are highly corrosive in nature. These acids can cause severe burns to the skin. These acids should be handled with great care. Some common examples of inorganic acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Classification of acids. On the basis of presence of water, acids are classified as dilute acids and concentrated acids. Dilute acid, the acidic solution which has a large quantity of water and a small quantity of acid, is called dilute acid. Concentrated acid, the acidic solution which has a small quantity of water and a large quantity of acid, is called concentrated acid. Concentrated acid can be diluted by dissolving it in a large quantity of water. But always remember that an acid is added to water. Water is never added to an acid. Why? Because a large amount of heat is released during dilution of an acid. Classification of acids. On the basis of their strength, acids are classified as strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids. They are highly corrosive in nature. These acids can cause burns on the skin. Some common examples of strong acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Weak acids. Weak acids are mild in nature. These acids do not cause burns on skin. Common example of weak acids are acetic acid, oxalic acid. Let us learn about some organic acids and their sources. Number 1. Citric acid is present in citrus fruits such as oranges, lemon. Number 2. Lactic acid is found in curd. Number 3. Ascorbic acid is found in amla and citrus fruits. Number 4. Tartaric acids is found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes. Number 5. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Number 6. Oxalic acid is present in spinach, tomatoes, guavas. Number 7. Malic acid is found in apples. Number 8. Amino acid is present in proteins. Number 9. Tannic acid is found in tea. 10. Glycolic acid is present in sugarcane juice.